So I was able to walk away from my 9 to 5 job in 9 months after learning this high income skill. What's up, guys? This is Lambo P with Love here. Print Your Mind, the channel that is dedicated to teaching you how to create multiple streams of income using the power of digital and affiliate marketing. And if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so you know every single time that I'm dropping content, and smash like on this video if you believe it to be valuable. Welcome to the Freedom Bootcamp free high ticket affiliate training. This training is probably going to change a lot of your lives when you actually take action on the things that I'm going to show you within this training. And this is the exact way that I was able to leave my 9 to 5 job in 9 months. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with me, my name is Lambo P with Love, and I'm from Dallas, Texas, and I have been able to accumulate over 6 figures in online sales ever since I started learning this high income skill. Now, my former job was working at a bingo hall for 17 years of my life, where I was sitting on a caller stand, putting bingo numbers inside of a camera for literally hours on hours out of a day. And I was also walking around selling bingo cards to customers. And this was probably one of the greatest experiences that I've ever had, meeting new people and seeing different people do different things within their life. And I mean, I've met everyone that does everything inside of the industry, from people that were co-CEOs of AT&T all the way down to somebody just stocking groceries inside of a grocery store. I was able to meet these people and develop strong relationships, and that's what kept me entertained, or really kept me at that job for 17 years. But that job was robbing me for the number one thing that I really wanted back inside of my life, and that was time. See, I am a father of 3 kids, and I have one on the way and expecting her in May. So I am very excited about having a new child come into this world, and also teaching my kids how they do not have to depend on a 9 to 5 job in order to start making an income. Maybe that's something that you're interested in learning as well. The way that jobs has been set up, especially inside of 2022, 2023, it is showing you that you are expendable. They can fire you at any time. They do not have to really give you a raise, which means that they're robbing you from the most valuable asset that you have in your life, which is your time. And that's probably the reason why you're here on this training today, because you're wanting to get your time back. And that's exactly what this business model has allowed me to do. So don't forget to smash like on this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you're interested in learning how you can replace your 9 to 5 job income and create a second stream of income so you can eventually walk away from your 9 to 5 job. And I'm super excited to share this training with you. So now, without further ado, let's get started.